Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Right, today we're heading to the Harpoon Brewery and this is their Take 5 Session IPA, coming in at 4.3% ABV, 43 IBUs. These guys are out of Boston, Massachusetts in the northeast of the United States of America. This was canned on, looks like the 3rd of November of 2018. Looks like giving it a year shelf life. So, okay. So November, December, January, February. So this is bang on now. It's the 3rd of February, 3 months old. So, Session IPA. It's brewed with, it goes into, let me just go through the commercial description for you. Harpoon Take 5 was first brewed on the brewery's 10 barrel system in early 2014. With each pilot batch, the recipe was tweaked until the desired balance between hop aroma and the malt character was achieved. This final version begins with a vibrant citrus and pine hop aroma with Simcoe Amarillo hops, followed through with a sturdy malt profile from the combination of pale Vienna Carapils and the English amber malts. Hop forward but not too bitter, low ABV but with a significant malt body, a truly sessionable beer. So we'll find out what we're going to get on this. So this is obviously being an American can, 355 millilitres, and we'll crack it open now. So it's my first beer from the Harpoon Brewery. We have been able to get their IPA in supermarkets fairly regularly for the last few years, but I never got round to trying it. So that will probably be the next beer from this brewery I'll try. But yeah, so beer in a glass. Yeah, it's quite clear. You see the other side of the glass where the bubbles are clinging to the glass. So a filtered pale ale. Let me just get an aroma before I put the rest of that in there. Let's give it a swirl and a sniff. It's like yeah, it's a very light, almost lager looking beer, being clear. Oh dear. But yeah, enough of that rhyming majangly. But majangly, where's that come from? And it actually smells, joking aside, it's got that kind of Carapils thing going on. It smells more like a Pilsner than a Session IPA. Lemon, bit of a block nose, but I don't think it's impairing my aroma, my nose too much. Yeah, like a corny kind of slight, yeah, citrus, lemon, maybe a slight dry, maybe a piney edge, but very faint. Let's give it a try, see what it tastes like. Cheers. Intrigued. Wow. And it's marrying up very well with the taste. It tastes more like a Session IPL. Very light citrusy lemon. Lemony, slightly grassy kind of hop oily sort of thing. Slightly sweet. 43 IBUs. This is really kind of IPL territory for me, and maybe, yeah, like a slightly hoppy Pils. I'm definitely getting that Carapils. It's more of a kind of a a lager yeast, or I have no idea. That didn't say it in the commercial description there. But yeah, very kind of light on the hops for me. Ingredients: water, malted barley, hops, yeast. Boston, Maine, Windsor, Vermont. So what's that for then? So the Vienna, it's obviously got Vienna malt, so which is a lager, Vienna lager style lager, and it's definitely coming through. Let's see what it says. If there's any other information. So Harpoon Brewery, love beer, love life, employee owned, brewed in Boston, Massachusetts and Windsor, Vermont. So it's actually got 2 locations. So where does it say this one? Not that it matters, but so this was brewed at in Boston, not Vermont. Don't know. Give it one more sip and a rating. It's not really session IPA style for me. This is more of a Vienna lager, pilsner, slightly hopped kind of beer. So it's going to affect the markings drastically for me. I'm giving this a 5 out of 10, so a 2.5 on the Untapped scale. Over to Untapped, and so 44,770 rate or check-ins, 1,193 in the last 30 days. This beer's been around since the 20th of March of 2015. Pardon me. 32,715 ratings, coming in at 3.55. Wow, that's a 7. So I'm giving this a 2.5. For me, it's not a session IPA. But that is just me, of course. I mean, it looks very nice in the glass and all that thing, but that Vienna malt and the Carapils are just almost like the malt is swinging it off style. That's what, that's all I'm picking up, and it's not particularly hopped. The hops it mentions is Amarillo. Was it Amarillo? Yeah, Simcoe and Amarillo hops. There is a slight piney edge, but it's very minimal. Anyway, first beer from this brewery, and yeah, it's not hitting it with me anyway. So this is their Harpoon Take 5 Session IPA, coming in at 4.3% ABV and was it 43 IBUs? Nah, not for me. Anyway, if you've had this one before, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.